latest Corvette in it, unique, especially in classics. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Coupe. History of this car, one owner car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage, adult owned and driven. Little over 7,000 miles on this. We'll check out the exact mileage when we start it up. Check out the interior, but I believe it's about 7,160. Underneath the hood, of course, 6.2 liter V8, and that is paired up with the 8-speed automatic transmission. That would have been an option. It does have the tap shift to it. Go ahead and take a close look at this nose cone. You can also check out underside pics, interior pics, and I'll tell you where to see those here in just a bit. Few real small spots touched up with matching paint. Very, very tough to see. Nose cone clean. There's a little bit of a scuff down the chin spoiler. Now, as far as those still pictures, so if you want to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us at 507-386-1726. This is a 2LT package car, which some of those options will include the memory seats, power seats with the power bolster and lumbar. You have the heated and ventilated seats, premium audio, heads-up display, curb view cameras, seat badging. So 2LT package, and you'll be able to check out a picture of this window sticker for this car also. And again, I'll tell you where to see that here in just a second. That's in with the still pictures on our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Not notice any modifications on this vehicle as far as performance-wise, engine, exhaust, anything like that. You do have the Grand Sport chrome wheels, as you can see, and those would be aluminum. Grand Sport Heritage package, if you notice those hash marks up on the fender, and then the interior aluminum hash marks, as well as the Grand Sport logo on the floor mats. And I do believe this was an ad with the white stripe. Nice, sets this car off. Previous owner doing that, I do believe. And it does come with a removable hardtop. You can see that in the pictures. Right now I have it in the rear cargo area. And in those still pictures, you're going to see the top on the car, off the car. You're going to see that cargo area with the top in it, without it. And then you're also going to see pictures, everything's still in the wrapper as far as the owner's manual, the, I guess if you call it, the privacy cargo area cover that will hook up to the rear deck lid. There is the cargo net back there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Again, gray leather interior, power seats, both sides, power windows, power locks, steering wheel controls, again with the tap shift, and then of course for the driver's information center and stereo controls. Heads-up display is going to be over here. So very nicely equipped and in very nice shape. I'm sure you want to see the seats themselves. As you can see, no real wear on the bolster or the seats. Both extremely nice shape, and there's close-up pictures of those throughout the interior shots of this car. All right, for those exact miles, click up here. All right, there we go. And if you can see that right there, 7,165. No warning indicators, traction, ABS, service engine soon, anything like that. It was only oil change in the near future. and that would be a seat belt since I don't have it on. Stereo system, of course, dual climate control, heated and ventilated seats. All the goodies you have in the 2LT package. Rather than me go through them all, hey, take a look at the window sticker and with the still pictures and tell you exactly what's on this car. I will pop the hood so we can check that out though. I'm going to flip this up too so you can get a look at that top. And again, you can see that in the still pictures also. Stock exhaust, sounds like you'd imagine. Fun cars to drive, no doubt about that. And this one has a great look to it. Let's check out the engine bay real quick and we'll wrap up this video. There it is, 6.2 liter. Nice and tidy, clean as you'd expect. Take a look at this hood liner. It has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. You can tell because it is not stained. Nice, clean looking engine bay. No surprises on this one, folks. What you see in the pictures and videos is what you get. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Coupe, one owner, clean Carfax, a little over 7,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.